welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, I'm a mother, I'm a wife, I'm a fashionista, model, actress, yes darlings, motivational speaker, but above all else, I am what? I am a makeup addict, and that is why you are what? That is why you are here. How are you guys? Welcome. So 2019 was phenomenal for me. I said thank you Lord, because I've been waiting 10 years for a good year, I'm telling you, and it all came whack. I turned 50 and I still feel good, juicy, sexy, but I'm so empowered because I'm so confident and I'm so aware of who I am. It is amazing. I wish I had just jumped from like 20 to 50, then I would have been good, and the body's still hot, you know. I've been married for 10 years, 2019, and my son turned 1. Yes, we moved house, thank you Lord Almighty, and that got me my beautiful F.D.V studios from where I am speaking to you guys. And I think the icing on the cake was the collaboration with Juvia's Place. It was so unexpected and it was such a wonderful surprise because we had been going on for 2 years, and you know, when Chichi had said, oh Fumi, we'll wait for you when you have your baby, I just thought, you know what, that's it. But there are such honest people around here in this world, and Chichi is one of them. So my year was cherry cake, boo-boo. It was very fabulous. And in 2019 we also had some phenomenal launches when it came to makeup, when it came to beauty, when it came to products, and I am here to share with you the ones that I became addicted to and loved. Naturally, I will have to start with my collaboration with Juvia's Place. I love this palette. I love this palette. The Queen collection, it just had the booms. Look, I've already hit pan on glam, and it was everything. It is everything. These were all of the colors that I constantly looked for in other palettes, and even when I found were not as rich. I am addicted to this palette. I love it so very much. I am wearing the lip gloss. If you guys are wondering, oh for me, we love the way you're looking. Well, the dress is Zara. It's a wrap dress. I'm all about wrap, you know. And the makeup is in the previous tutorial, which I will show you again, Juvia's Place. And the lip glosses that I also had the collaboration were Fumi and Royalty. I had a nude, which I thought every girl will want a nude. For those girls like my sister that, you know, has a 9-to-5 job, is an executive and has to look serious, but you still want to look glam, you have your nude. You can wear it on the day off, so you can wear it casually, and then you have that beautiful dark aubergine glamour nighttime beauty, and this one's called Fumi. So these two, they are my everything. I gave birth again to this collection. Loved it, adore it. I'm just going to go randomly because I have everything out here on my table. And Juvia's Place came out. They came out with face products, they came out with foundation, and they came out with highlighters, they came out with setting powders, but when they came out with their foundation sticks, I tell you right now, mine is Tunisia, Benin and Congo, flawless. Look at me, glowing. I am using this. I am addicted to this. I buy this with my own money, Ula's money, every single time. I can't wait for PR. That's how flawless these foundation sticks are. Even I can dare say, in my personal opinion, better than the foundations that they launch. The foundation sticks, wow, fabulous. Not to be outdone, Anastasia Beverly Hills came out with their foundation, and I was impressed. They sent me PR, but I was in America for about 3-4 months last year, and by the time it came, I had already left. I couldn't wait. Why should I? I said, Ula, honey, do you love me a lot? Okay, I need to go to Ulta real quick and get the foundation because I was curious. I really wanted to try it out. Beautiful matte finish. The colors were not ashy, they were not green, they were not gray. They were beautiful warm tones, and they had all the shades right there and all the colors. I was very impressed. Not to be outdone again was Pat McGrath. I was like, ooh, powdery, creamy, very minimal transfer. I was impressed. I was like, OMG, Patty is the queen when it comes to makeup for fashion, high fashion, runway. She's so wonderful. I adore her. I've known Pat McGrath for over 25 years. I kid you not. And for her to come out with this collection for face products, I was so sincerely impressed. And you know what? Now that I think about it, I wasn't surprised. Then again, I was surprised. So for the face, we had juvi'as. Then we had Anastasia Beverly Hills, and we had Pat McGrath. And I am talking about women of color all the way to Lily White, like my husband. They just got it right. That's the only way I can say it. They got it right. In shades, in texture, and in coverage. They were flawless. What can I tell you? Flawless. Jaclyn Hill. Congratulations. She had an interesting year last year, but she came back. And when I tell you, girlfriend came back with 3 sets of highlighters, but the beaming highlighter just gave me life. I cannot put it down. I refuse to put it down. Here you are. This is the product right here. Absolutely gorgeous. Everything. And then let me just open it for you guys. This is what it looks like. Beautiful. Again, very well thought of. I think it was created in Italy, and she went all the way for very light complexions to deep toned sisters like my gorgeous self. ColourPop came out with X's and O's. You know I'm a berry girl, you know I'm a red girl, and so this was life. Let me open it for you guys. There you go, and voila. And let me tell you, I think that the name is called Reckless. This one right here, I reached out for this to deepen my crease. It was one of those palettes that I was so grateful to have. The ColourPop X's and O's just did it for me last year. Fenty Beauty came out with some brow products, and I am in love with this. I just feel that my brows are so much more natural now. They're so much more prettier because of this wispy stick. Now, if I open it like so, let me just open it from here. You have the little brush here, which makes it so much smoother when you are doing your brows. Yeah, there you go. See here? And then when you turn it over here, you've got the wisp right there. See, and it just has that light stroke. That's how thin that is, and so you can have that really gorgeous natural brow. Love it, love it. I fell in love with Body Lashes. I just did. They were thick, they were full, and they gave me all that I wanted. I was addicted to this, and these were the lashes I wore the very most of 2019. Guys, when I tell you, I love Body Lashes. And these ones that I have is called Body. There you go. Body. This was a surprise. Hank and Harry collaborated with Rich Lux. This turned out, this beautiful little pale little lipstick turned out to be one of my favorite colors of 2019. Very pale, very mauvey, and it just complemented my complexion. I don't know how else to explain it, but this turned out to be one of the lippies aside from my royalty that I wore last year. And it is called I Love You So Much. I think it was a limited edition, but still I had to call it out and say, you know what, guys, you were fabulous. I loved this. Another one that I loved was the Revlon lip cushion tint. Just gorgeous, just beautiful, just pretty, just peachy, and it was light on my lips. I just loved this. I don't know whether I should put some on. There you go. Let me put it right there. There you go. Can you see what I'm talking about? Really nice, really light, really easy. It worked for me, and it was drugstore, because I was like, for me, try and incorporate a little bit of drugstore into your makeup tutorials. And this one right here was just one that I wore outside of the tutorials literally every day. Just adored it. What can I tell you? It's always nice when you get those little surprises and you're like, OMG, I think I could work with this. And that is it, my darlings. That is it. It wasn't that much, because when I look back, you know, I am a creature of habit. A lot of this stuff I've already presented to you in the previous years, and I still use them. But these were a few of my things that I just really adored and loved. It wasn't that much. You know, I still love my beauty blenders. I still love the Bad Girl Bang mascara. There you go. You know, I still love my Morphe, you know, setting spray. There you go. So there are lots of repeats that I have not just pushed to the side, and I hope that you enjoyed my favorites. Let me know, more importantly, what were your favorites for 2019. While we're on the subject, a lot of you that don't live in England, but I'm sure you hear it all over the world, the Meghan and Harry saga, the Megxit. I am going to talk about it. I am going to have a sister to sister on this subject, but as some of you might know, over time, I don't want to rush anything. I want to get the entire synopsis before I give you my humble opinion on the entire thing. Until then, my loves, I wish you so much love, so much joy, and walk in positivity. It will empower you. Okay? Lots of love. I'm filming myself these days, so Ula's not here for me to say, Ula, say goodbye. So goodbye, my loves. I'll see you soon. Bye.